Hello world, and welcome to my bucket list day. In this episode we're actually going to be going up to North Carolina. I was actually there a few months ago, so full disclosure, a little late on getting this video out, but that'll be clear to you as to why when you see the next episode and the epic fail that delayed this video and a few others. So I hope you enjoy this. I had a lot of fun there, met some great people. So while up in North Carolina, you'll see that I went on a few little adventures. So sit back and enjoy, and we'll get right back to it right after this. Welcome back. Well, we're going to jump right into it and show you how and what we did while we were in North Carolina. And this is setting everything up for the epic fail that happened in North Carolina that you'll see in the next episode. First, I have to do a shout out to Peachtree Cove Campground in Marble, North Carolina. One of the most gracious people that you'll ever meet. It's run by a family of a bunch of kids. I think there was 10. Could be wrong on that. At any rate, mom and dad and the kids run the campground. It's in pristine condition. Great people. It's fantastic. It's a beautiful setting as well, right along a river, as you'll see here. So big shout out to them. They were really great people. Great park. Highly recommend you guys look them up when you're in that area and go there. So because we are going back in time a little bit here, let me set up what you're going to see is we did go see a dam and a couple waterfalls. You're going to see that I went to look for a particular fall called Lost Falls, and I got lost finding them and actually never did find them, so that was kind of hilarious, but you'll see the journey into looking for those. And don't forget, at the end of this video we have the contest that is the giveaway on July 4th this year. All you have to do is watch the little video clip and tell me where you think it is. And for those of you who get it right, get entered to win. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that. So sit back, get some popcorn, and enjoy. So to see these falls that I'm going to, this is the road we have to get down to get there. No, it is not paved. But these roads can get steep going down, so I got the engine brake going. .3 more miles to go. Okay, so this is one of those epic fails. I just went 3 miles down this road. Beautiful in here, but very difficult for this very long truck. And there's no falls. So clearly I made a wrong turn somewhere based on the directions I was received. And I'll get out of here and figure this out. But now I got 3 miles back through this treacherous road. I gotta go back that way. Here we go. Hiawassee Dam. no water flowing over the dam right now. As you do see, the turbines are operational. Guess we're not here at the right time for a little spillover. Hey everyone, so this is what my bucket list day is all about. I'm up in the mountains on a trail that's barely a trail, at the very top of one of the little creeks that feeds the Fire Creek's Falls, which I took a bunch of video of that you'll see in this segment. But true to myself, and those of you who know me know that I do that, I take the road less traveled. I was only planning on going about a mile in, and then I got excited about something around the next bend, and the next bend, and the next bend. And just like roads that are less traveled get narrower and narrower, so does this trail. In fact, this trail is barely a trail with everything growing over it already. So I don't think anybody's been up here for quite some time. I don't know for sure, I didn't bring my watch like an idiot, so I can't track my distance, but I think I'm about 2.5, 3 miles in, so I'm about a mile and a half further than I planned on going. So now I got to turn around. It is hot. Well, it's not hot, it's a beautiful day actually. I'm just sweating from the climb because I've pretty much been going all the way up this mountain. You can kind of hear the creek behind me. I'm only about 50 to 100 feet from the top of this mountain, and I was trying to find the source of this creek. I'm not sure if it's a spring or what it is up there, if there's a pond up there that's overflowing from being fed by another creek. But anyway, it's been a beautiful hike, beautiful day. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm taking a lot of videos of the falls when we get lower. They are obviously wider and running very quickly. And the drive in here was magnificent. Sadly, it's hard for me to video the drive when I'm driving. The mount that I have on the windshield just won't stick, so it's hard to hold on to it, and when I've got twisty turny roads going through switchbacks and everything else. But hope you enjoy. More to come. So every once in a while, you're faced with a challenge when you arrive at an RV park, or in this case, when you're ready to leave. When I got in here, I heard something scratch or rub, and stopped immediately, and talked to the people who are running the campground, and they suggested that I just stay where I'm at, and they'd help me get out when it's time to leave, because there were no other sites available at the time. So let me show you what that predicament is. The power line is going right over my rig. And what's happening, when I step back, I'll get around this tree, you see it rubbed across my air conditioner and drop behind it. So when I back up or go forward, it's going to hit the rest of the units. So we got to figure out a way to get out of here. You can see here a little better angle of the power line. Right behind the first air conditioning unit and about to hit the next one. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of wood on the back of the air conditioning unit so the line can slide up it like it did the front side, and then hopefully back out of here. So here's what my idea was. Instead of you risking your life and limb to go up there and hold that out of the way, take this piece of wood and see how my air conditioning slopes, so it kind of crawled over it. Put this on the back side of it, so it'll slide up this and over, and I'll back up there and then go off that other side, instead of trying to hold it up over all of those obstacles.
Okay.
What do you think?
That might work.
You up for that? I think it's safer.
So he still has to get up there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But it's safer than having, when I move, he's got to walk
Right.
and hold the cable
Gotcha.
and have to walk through all that stuff.
All right. And
This
the other
way-
side is higher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the other spot is higher.
That's not, is that videoing us already?
Yeah. So, I think that if you put it on the back side of that, please don't hit that power line. That will not be good. And then I will back up when you're all set. And obviously stay up there and just make sure everything's good and you can yell. Oh, they are not. I'm 13.6.
And that's road height max.
Right. Don't, there you go. As much of an angle as you can.
Oh, we have the longer one. Would that be better?
What do you think? What? No, stay there.
I think that'll do.
You think it'll work?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to move very slowly back.
Alright, I'm gonna get on the other side. Oh, you're gonna go back.
I'm going to go back, so... No.
That way when
You're
the...
backing up, I need to be on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So... Good thinking. Hey, you yell to your mom, and mom yell to me. Go or stop.
Okay.
Hang on. Are you ready? He's ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
You're clear.
Clear?
So just watch the tree.
Like completely clear the wire now?
Oh yeah, the wire's in front of the trailer.
That's awesome.
Okay.
There we go. It worked out much easier for him.
Yes.
So it was very interesting getting out of that RV park, Peachtree Cove. But Great people. So it's time now to show the video clip to see if you guys know where this is, the surprise location. So last time I said leave your comments below of what you think it is. That didn't work out so well. Apparently YouTube's having some issues with the comments section. So I'm going to have a link below to my website where you can leave your name, email address, and where you think this video clip is. So just go ahead and enter everything in there, and hopefully you'll win and get it and be entered for the July 4th giveaway. So do you think you know where it is? Well, click on the link below. And while you're going down below to click that link, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and don't forget the little bell to notify you the next time I release a video. So I'll see you next time. Make it a great day.